Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage Google passwords on OPPO Reno 12 FS. To manage Google passwords, go to Settings first, then scroll down to Google. Then go to All Services, Autofill with Google, continue, and now click on Google Password Manager. Now you've gotten into Google Password Manager and you can manage all of your saved passwords. To do it, choose an app or site on which the password is saved, for example TikTok. Then enter your screen lock or fingerprint, and here you can view your username as well as a password. To see your password, click on the eye icon. You can edit or delete or share your password. If you have more than one account to an app or site, you can click on it and you can see here there are two accounts. You can also add a new password, for example to a site. So enter the site URL, then username, password, and press on save. And here is your password. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.